So hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're gonna be cooking some Burmese fried beans. So check it out. Damn, I love it when it rains. So by the way, right now currently in Singapore we're having this thing called circuit breaker, and what that basically means is that like everything non-essential they're shutting down. For example, like bars, retails, and some mostly office job, everything that you can do at home, yeah, they have closed it down. And yeah, one thing that I realized this morning, it was just the restaurant downstairs, they just remove all their tables. Yeah, it just looked very empty. And what else? Oh yeah, and the bus and the MRT, the frequency of the bus and the MRT, I think they have slowed down quite a bit. Used to be like 3 minutes or 5 minutes for a train or a bus, but right now it's like around 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, there's something change that I noticed. Yeah, that I just want to let you guys know. Anyway, let's get back to the cooking. So this is what you call mung beans. They are the split mung beans. So yeah, you soak it in water, and according to my mom, we have to leave it overnight. So I'll post this video probably in the next days. Hey guys, I think it's time that we check on our beans. So let's go. So first things first, we're gonna grind up the beans. And we do have a grinder, but we're gonna use something traditional. So here's the bad boy to smash up all the beans. So you want to grind them up until you get this consistency. So other ingredients that you're gonna need apart from the mung beans, they're gonna be chili, mint leaf, onions, garlic, and ginger. For ginger and the garlic, we're gonna grind them up together with the together with the beans. And for the onions, mint leaf, and the chili, we're just gonna cut them and mix it up to the bean mixture. So guys, this is the final stage. So you're gonna mix everything up, and don't forget to put 1 tablespoon of salt. Here we got mint leaf, chili. Yep, this is what it's gonna look like after you mix them up. So guys, here's the final result. So you roll them into a ball, or you just flatten it like this, or yeah, you can make it into any shape, and you fry them up until you get this golden brown color. Yeah, and you're good to go. We Burmese call it bayajo, but this is one of the famous dish in India, but I don't know what it's called. I think it's made the same way as I make. So yeah, let's try it out. I'm not gonna lie, man, it's really good. You guys should try it out. Before I end this video, I'm just gonna show you guys a quick little magic trick. So we have a deck of cards over here, and we're gonna look for a joker. So every deck have a joker or two in the pack. So let's go and find my joker. So I think we have found our joker, which is this. But this joker, it looks a little bit different, right? Like there's something odd about this joker. So we're gonna give some, yeah, it's just like, it's black and white, which I don't really like. So let's give some colors to this joker. So you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oops. And that, my friend, is Burmese fried beans. I hope you guys enjoy it, and as much as I enjoy making it. And yeah, see you guys in the next vlog.